Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the Crazy Crust Pizza from the Betty Crocker Found Recipes Cookbook. To start off the recipe, I've heated up my skillet and I'll be adding in 1 pound of ground beef, 1/4 cup of diced onion, and 1½ cups of sliced mushrooms. After 8 minutes, my ground beef has been cooked all the way through, as have the mushrooms, and my onions have turned translucent. I've gone ahead and turned the heat off on my stove, and I'll be adding in 1 cup of my favorite pizza sauce. Once the pizza sauce is completely stirred in, this can be set over to the side until I get the crust made. For the crust, I'll be starting off with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, to which I'll be adding 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 eggs, and 2/3 cup of milk. Once the crust has been completely stirred together, it gets poured into a 12-inch pizza pan that's been greased and coated with flour. Once the crust is in the pan, it needs to be completely coated across the bottom. I've just gone ahead and tipped my pan around until it's evenly coated. Let me go ahead and bring in our topping. And then this gets lightly spooned across the top of the crust. This is now ready to go on to the lowest rack in the oven, set at 425 degrees, where it's going to bake for 18 to 23 minutes, or until the crust is a light golden brown. Once the crust is a light golden brown, sprinkle on 6 ounces or 1½ cups of freshly shredded mozzarella cheese. And then top that with 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And this is now going to go back into the 425 degree oven, where it's going to continue to bake for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the cheese is completely melted. Now that the Crazy Crust Pizza is out of the oven, all I have left to do is try it out. The crust is perfectly brown across the bottom and completely cooked all the way through. I really do like this pizza crust. It is very well seasoned. I get little notes of the Italian seasoning that I added in. It baked really well. It's got a nice little chew to it. I do miss a little bit of the yeast flavor that you get from a traditional pizza crust, but overall, if I want a pizza in a hurry and I don't feel like going through the trouble of making a traditional crust, this is a definite good recipe to have in your back pocket. As for the topping, it's okay. I think it's lacking a little bit of seasoning. A little bit of salt on the meat would have helped tremendously. And I think it could use just a tad bit more pizza sauce. But overall, I really do like this pizza recipe. I think it's a good first look at the Found Recipes Cookbook. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.